Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, I hope and believe, guys, you actually enjoyed last week video whereby we're talking about gold, USDT, and NAS 100, and you actually saw the buys and the sells on gold. You understand? And what I like about my update is you can actually like trade the whole week having one update. Understand? Due to that, you're going to be having zones step by step understanding of the market. So guys, all I would like to say and thank you guys is for your subscription and comment section, guys. I hope and believe you are all making money and you are all actually making profit. Understand? So for more information about smart trade, guys, you can always get my numbers on the description or on the comment section. So at the end of the day, guys, as much as you can see, guys, I'm on gold. You understand? So today I'm gonna analyze gold, USDT and NAS 100 again. You understand? Because if I don't actually update you guys on USDT and NAS 100, I might give you guys problems. You understand? So what we're gonna do here? Let's just go to the monthly time frame. You understand? Last week we didn't even bother to go to the monthly time frame, but today we're gonna go to the monthly time frame. You understand? So what you're going to look up to here is just the highest point and the current lowest point. And then you're going to look at places whereby when the market touches, the market reverses. You know what I hate about you guys, right? When someone goes against me, you actually not helping me. But I'm always here down to earth, trying to give you guys free information. But when it's time for you guys to show me your loyalty, you are nowhere to be found. You understand? But at the end of the day, guys, please, guys, and sometimes we do need you guys to help us on other situation, because I can't be out here trying to show you guys things for free, but you find out the only people that are commenting useless things on other posts. You understand? You're not actually giving me a courage. Tomorrow I'll start posting my cars here, posting my things. The next thing, you're no longer gonna be learning. And with or without me, you can still trade, but making money might not make sense there. You understand? Because you might not be making money. So at the end of the day, guys, I'm just joking with you all. So yeah, as much as you can see here, we have like a powerful zone that it's here and then here, and which is the zone that we are actually playing at. But the last candlestick is kind of like too bullish, understand? But the month is about to end, which this point, this candlestick can be rejected or might start going to the top again. But at the end of the day, we're not gonna judge the direction by the monthly direction. Understand? We have to judge the direction by this direction of daily, weekly, something like that. Understand? So here, what we're going to do is we're gonna create a trend line. You can see a perfect breakout and a retest, right? This is a perfect one. Technically, you can see where it actually retested. It's here. So already you see which direction are we going to take long term. It's selling opportunities. As much as we have broke the trend, you see we broke this trend, we went to the top. Now we broke this upper trend, we're going to the bottom side. You understand? It's just the 90% rule that we can never deny. So it's crazy, guys, crazy. Once you get to see other direction like this, you get to be more motivated. Understand? So here I might just create a proper trend line. Here, what you have to look out to is just to get your proper retest. So remember, guys, I don't like putting a lot of zones because they might confuse our things, where you find that you want to exit at a certain position where you haven't yet have to exit. You understand? So we're just gonna do this. So here, guys, I feel like what you can do is taking buying opportunities for now. Sometimes it's not all about what you saw, it's actually all about what the market is about to do. You understand? Because what I understand is the market will be soon taking selling opportunities, right? And which is correct, but we have CPIs and other things that are coming. So yes, now we are on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, you can actually create something like this, so whereby you understand that the market has a potential to move from this bottom side to the bottom side there. But at the end of the day, let's just go to H4 and see what is it that we see. And when it comes to strategy, you got to respect what the market is. If you don't want to lose, trust me, respect what the market is saying to you. Once you start doing your own thing, that's where the market will show you that it owns this game. Understand? That is why we say we don't control the market, we follow what the market tells us. So here, I just want us to enter our cells here, strictly here. You understand? So here we entered our cells. Yo, it was a perfect sell. You understand? Because now it gives me that momentum of saying, I think more cells are gonna be here. And industry, and in this market time now, we're gonna be seeing more selling opportunities on gold, and which it's something, you know, once you have the structure of the market 90% rule, you get to understand where you're going. I get to understand that we need to be entering our selling opportunities there, but all we can do is let's just create this structure as well, which has to give us a 90% rule as well. Understand? Going to the bottom side, we're going to create another zone here. It's very important to have this one. It's very important. So you see, the market will still sell, understand? But how are you going to enter the cells? I feel like it's too risky for us to enter if we didn't break this zone. And it's very risky if we don't enter at a certain zone, because I want you to get that proper entry point. You understand? Let's go to 60 minutes time frame and see what is it that we have there. And once you have a perfect structure in a week, don't confuse yourself and try to trade everything. Trade what you have and which is perfect. Understand? Because once you start trading everything, that's where you lose everything. So that's how the market is, understand? So here we have a proper support. This support is actually strong, you know. It's actually strong, and it's Monday, guys. They know very well that we woke up and we want to trade the market, and whatever direction that the market is taking, we might want to convince ourselves saying, yeah, let's take selling opportunities. But that's where we get it wrong. That's where we get it wrong. The market might sell at the position that I am, but I feel like the market has to move from the bottom side from here and then comes here. You see, here, that's when we're going to take our selling opportunities, knowing straightforward it's coming there. That is why it's very important to watch out on your chart. Understand? That's the only thing that you gotta do now. You gotta wait for it to reach out there and enter there. But due to me knowing that, okay, the market here might reverse and then touch there, we can put our stop loss here, gain these buying opportunities there, and then we milk. Once we are here, that's when we're going to enter our selling opportunities. Because for me to enter here, it's like following the market, not getting the proper entry. Understand? It's like by luck if the market breaks. But at the end of the day, what I understand is my selling opportunities is going to be strictly here. So I'll wait for the market to come here. So last week I entered sales there. You know, it didn't give me more confidence due to this candlestick taking me out. You understand? Coming back again, made a lot of cash. But at the end of the day, I did know very well that we are going to the bottom side. As much as I'm telling you guys, we're going to have to enter our selling opportunities when the market comes there. Understand? That's very important. So we'll wait for the market to come here, and then if it tries to reverse a little bit, it might reverse at this certain point here. So it means if you enter, put your stop loss here, then you're gonna get a perfect, beautiful entry point. So let's go to 30 minutes time frame and see what is it that. So here you can see we have like a kind of like little bit of a problem, man. It as well work. M30 works as well, understand? And 50 M15 works as well. So if you ever thought of no, they are not working because I don't actually go to them, you're lying to yourself. You understand? So here, just put your stop loss below this side, this one. You understand? Don't put it too far, because if it goes below there, it might blow your account. So here, guys, I feel like we gotta take simple, easy buying opportunities, easy ones, not hard ones, because here we're just gonna put our stop loss there and then know very well that our take profit has to be here. It's just a small quick scalp, but it's not necessary for you to take it. We are looking forward to the selling opportunities than the buying opportunities, but we can't enter sales during the road of. You can see here, how can we enter sales? We just should come here and enter the sales. Yes, we can understand first touch, second touch, but on M15 you could find this been respected very well. You see closed 1, 2, you understand? It already did a certain movement. So here, let's adjust this. Once you go to other lower time frames, learn to adjust these things, because if you don't adjust them like support and resistance, they will confuse you. You understand? So as much as you can see, there's it. So if it breaks this support, that's when we're gonna do what? We're gonna actually like enter our selling opportunities. But as much as it's here, we have a bigger problem to understand that the market has a guarantee to move to the top side to here. You understand? It might move furthermore, but at the end of the day, due to the structure, we can look at the easy targets, easy target like here. That's where we understand that the market can actually go at, understand? So at the end of the day, guys, you saw the update on gold. Let's jumping into another index. Let's jump into an index actually. So now we're going to push to H4 and see what is it that we have here. Here we took like proper selling opportunities. Yeah, we got it somewhere here. Yo, beautiful proper selling opportunities. Yo, I like those entries that I have entered there. Man, I could have held until there to the bottom side, you know, but lack of motivation when it comes to direction was there. But at the end of the day, guys, let's go to the weekly time frame and see what is it that we have. Wow, you see we have a proper what is this, a hammer, which actually shows us that we need to go to the bottom side. But Man, it's actually 2023. Certain things ain't like perfectly respected, but it's actually like a beautiful thing to see it and understand it. But let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Let's go to the monthly time frame once in a while and see what is it that we have. Oh, Nasdaq inspires me, man. It was the one that was left out, but check where it is. So one thing that you gotta understand is this point which we're heading. Once we reach out somewhere here, we are actually creating new highs. You understand? New highs is like they'll even write new highs being created since 2021, 2023. We have another new highs, and which is like can be an incredible thing. We're gonna have a proper retest here. It's very important to know that we're gonna have a proper retest there. And then here you can check these are the places whereby the market touched, the market reversed. And what I like, guys, in my YouTube videos, we started here. Check where we at. And I told you guys, do everything, but don't forget when you buy, it's forever. When you sell, it's temporary. For now, it's all about the structure. It's not like I actually own the market or anything. It's all about. So you can see at this certain point, the market actually it's coming to retest here. And the candlestick of this one, it's about to close. So if it closes below, so it means this resistance is still strong. You know, you might find this was a monthly resistance, not actually weekly and daily. That's very important to cater into your head, because you might find you want to do monthly things in a M15 thing. You understand? It won't happen. So if it closes inside on a monthly time frame, note selling opportunities are going to be strong that week or that month. You understand? Because we've been buying since if you can check those videos of having Nasdaq inside, we've been buying since that day. So let's go to the weekly time frame and see what is it that we have. So you see on the weekly time frame, what we have is it's a proper retest here. So others might say, nah, the market manipulated me once it comes below. No, like I told you, check the monthly one if it will close inside or outside. You understand? Once it closes outside, this one is retesting. You catering your proper buys. And you're not gonna be always be the one that is left out to enter trade. You cater your buys here, knowing very well you're coming here. Man, I'll tell you a secret. Once you get this buy, if it's here, just know that you can hold forever. Forever. Once we break here, we're leaving. We might come back another year, not now. Understand? So this is how it's going to do here. Remember, I used to create this trend line, but I told you guys we have a new trend line that we need to respect, which is this one. So we're gonna do this trend line, and then to the top side, it's kind of like tricky because remember it's adjustable. So you might find that you've been adjusting others entered cells here, they're being knocked out there. So it's very important to understand even that concept. So you can see here, okay, here we have a zone as well here, proper one. Is it? We have a zone. So the market is actually heading here. Once it comes here, that's when we're gonna see it doing what? Reversing, going to the top side. Let's go to the daily time frame and see what is it that we see. We see the same structure. We see the same thing. So I can actually advise you to take your buying opportunities when the market reaches here. So first touch, second touch, I always do this. Let me see something. First, second, third. You can see it's beautiful like that, but I always like it when it's third. You understand? So I'm gonna just put it like this, come here, and then put it here as well, so that it can be the third one, not the fourth one. The fourth one won't be strong. So obviously, if you take it here, it's somewhere here, and you can see this where the support is, and it's very important to be seen and understood. You understand? So I'm gonna just do it like this, and then come below. And if I say we're gonna enter buys, it means you can enter sells here, close here, easy. What time it is? It's 8. London session just been opened now. It's very nice. It's very nice, and it's moving nicely because you understand. But if 9 is going to catch me around here, I'm gonna be entering my trades, and you understand, because I know very well what's happening to the market. Anytime, actually even 10, man. Understand? This is a perfect zone, stronger zone. So let's go to H4 and see what is it that we see here. So you can see this is what we have on in the market. So let's just unzoom this. Remember, we need to adjust this point here. And guys, it doesn't matter if you have a sexy chart or whatever. What matters is the profit that you're gonna make with that chart. Understand? Because others just wanna have a beautiful chart, but they don't wanna have a beautiful entry. I don't understand that. What is the flex of having a chart but not an entry point? So here we're gonna break this below. This below here, I think we're gonna have to break it. And if we don't break it, we're gonna enter selling opportunities again when the market comes in. So obviously about my time, I don't have to enter any trade here, but I know very well this below, it's not like actually like too strong, understand? But if it's strong, we can see the market pushing above, but you see here it's basically taking out people. So me and you, we're going to enter our buys strictly here. So this might take us too much time to come back here. It might take us too much time to be here. You understand? So what actually I'm saying is you just have to be lookout of other time frames if you can't get a buy here just to come back here a little bit. But at the end of the day, we might wait very nice here. You know, waiting it's a skill, guys. Because if you don't wait, you might find that at the end of the day, the market will reach at a certain point, and then you didn't wait, you already blew your account. So let me show you something quick on adjust this point here. I'm gonna just put it very well. So due to that, we know that the market has to come here to the bottom side and retest, but it can create its own retest on the way here. It can create a retest here. So you're going to enter selling opportunities when the market breaks here. But as much as if the market doesn't break here, it means buying opportunities to this point might be there. You understand? Because it's strong. It won't stop this bigger movement and give us a buy, which it might not be easy for us to pass. We've been failing first, second, third. And this is the fourth one. You understand? But the more we touch, the more we disrespect. But at the end of the day, that's one thing I just wanted you guys to understand. So let's push to 60 minutes time frame. So yeah, it's risky to take a buy here. It's very risky, but I must say you can try to take a buy here. You understand? This kind of like a quicker buy because they know very well that everybody here will want to enter a sell. So you know trading like everyone. You're trading based on what you see here. This structure is very important and it's strong here. So what you can do, guys, is you'll only enter sells when it breaks here, but as much as it's here, you can enter your buying opportunities. Understand? So let's just do this. And then let's just take a proper risk here because of this support and then put our stop losses here. Understand? We're going to just put it here. We're just taking a proper risk here. Let's see something. Let's quickly see something. We want to see how strong is this support. Nah, we're not gonna take no risk there. It's very risky, guys. We're still gonna aim here as we aiming here. We aiming here, guys. If you take a buy there, you might see your account being washed. But if the market decide to break this zone, right, break it and then decide to come back, take your buys here and then move to the top side. You understand? But I'm that person whereby I don't want to just enter a trade because of like simple thing. I want something really hard. Here it's very like difficult. So be out sure if it doesn't break here, it will give you buys. But if it breaks here, it's selling. You understand? So I'm looking for more buying opportunities, understand? Because I feel like the market has less sells but more buys, understand? But at the end of the day, guys, our update on NAS100 is you need to just wait for it to come back here in the below side and retest here, you enter your buy. So which can take you a week. And we're looking for a direction that we can enter today. But at the end of the day, we don't know if it can reach there today. But if it does, then you have your proper entry there. So let's go on to US30. What is US30 doing? US30 is a buy. US30 is a buy. You can see it's from this zone. It's actually heading here. Nice, beautiful. But at the end of the day, how do I see that? Let's go to the weekly time frame. We said today we're gonna take it strictly to the monthly time frame, right? Let's go to the monthly time frame. Guys, you need to look out for Nasdaq buy there. Like somehow buys might be there. Understand? So you gotta make sure you get it. We might haven't yet seen the proper entry point because we don't want it to take you out, and then we want you to catch the entry point today. So let's just give it time. I'll go and check it before the video ends. So here I might just create these places whereby when the market touches the market, but here you didn't touch very well. Oh, you touched. Nah, you didn't. So this is what we don't like about you, bro. You don't touch things very well. But at the end of the day, man, that's you. So here, you see, even here, same thing. You're gonna be left out waiting for a zone. Weekly time frame. I think it's still a buying opportunity. It's still a buying opportunity because it reversed a little bit, and man, I'm still gonna be buying that one. I'm still gonna be buying USDT. I don't have no choice, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm still going to buy USDT. Instead, I'm still looking for buying opportunity. And once USDT convince me like this, Nasdaq, you have a bigger problem because I will look for buying opportunities as well that side. Understand? So here you see how quick I am, guys, because I want to get to straight to the point whereby I'll get proper entries. So here we're gonna just create that and then create our zone again here. We have a proper zone there. which the market have to come back and retest there. For me, it's too far without touching there. We can't come back and retest there. So somehow here, there should be something that can make us reverse here. There has to be. You see here, there's a zone here. It's a little bit of a zone, but we're not going to put it. Let's just go to H4 and see what is it that we see here. Okay. Okay, I still see a proper direction. Just forgot to do one thing. Structure. Structure is very important. Structure is very important. We don't leave the structure behind. You see where actually USDT is going. USDT is going to the top side. There at the top side. So this is very important to have into the market, because if you don't have the structure, then you don't have anything. Structure of the market. Let's just reset this one. Check. So here, we're only gonna enter sales when we break here. Guys, here it's a buying opportunity. I don't know if you guys can see this buy, but I can see it. Here I see proper buys. Unshaven candlesticks, bro. Like here we're going straight to the top. We're going here. Understand? That's where we're going. Trust me very well. There we're going there. So here we're gonna just say here. If we come here, we're gonna enter buys, but we are on buying opportunities. Like we're buying every day. We're not doing those sells and other stuff. So here you can see, you can enter your buys here. Let's see if we have a third touch or anything here. Yeah, we have an ugly one. You can see there's an ugly one. But at the end of the day, there's a touch still at that a certain trend line. So I felt like here, guys, we're going to enter buying opportunities. Even on NAS 100, please enter buying opportunities now. So here we're going to enter buys. I might just put it here because I know very well that it's going there. Check, I'm using a wrong thing. Yeah. Yo, this buy is gonna be beautiful, guys. Don't let it leave you out. You can see it's already buying. Yo, it's already buying. So we're gonna take it straight here. The problem is where you reverse, bro. Like we're not gonna take. Yeah, you're taking your buying opportunities now, guys. Buying opportunities there. Just take profit is there. So we're gonna just put it there and then come here and then just take this one out. Yeah, it's like that. So your buying opportunity is just going there to the top side. Yeah, let's just put it like this so you can see it very well. So yeah. And then let's go back to Nasdaq, right? And confirm certain direction. Yeah, it broke. So you can see it broke. So once it breaks here and then breaks this below, then we're gonna take our selling opportunities when it breaks it. But man, this is not actually a breakout if it doesn't close outside. You understand? So you need to wait for it to close the outside so that you can be able to take your selling opportunities. But I'm not too convinced with selling opportunities here. Understand? So you need to be taking it slightly, because if it doesn't close outside, then it's not a sell. But if it close outside, break this low, then we are outside. Understand? So, but at the end of the day, you can see we can watch it and look at it. It won't close outside now. And it won't. Let me see the time. We still have like, okay, it's on 30 minutes time frame. We still have like 19 minutes for it to close outside. Understand? So if it closes outside, yes. But if it doesn't, no, you don't enter it. But I'm looking forward to enter our buys very well there on NAS 100. Understand? But somehow here it convinced me of proper structure of support and resistance. Sold, bought, didn't reach out to the end, sold again, played around here, which can give us buying opportunities to the top side, which we can actually like say our buying opportunities can be like this. Let's just take a risk and then put our stop loss there and then say our buy there. You can see how strong it is, right? So we can just take a risk there. Let's just take a risk, guys. The market is all about taking risk, you understand? Let's just take a risk there and then let's do it like this. Yeah, where it is. And then let's go to USDT and check what is happening on USDT. Still, guys, even here, we're taking a risk. We're not actually taking a risk, it's a buying opportunity. So, guys, at the end of the day, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Let's meet on another video. Let's check what this one is doing. This one is still playing around there, still playing around here. So, as much as everyone haven't yet entered, so we're going to just put this one here, strictly here. So, yeah. But at the end of the day, I told you guys, you can enter small buy here, take profit there. So at the end of the day, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Let's go in and enter our trade. So I'm entering gold now. Let me go and say do my password and enter buys. I don't want to enter things while you guys didn't see me enter them, and I just want to enter everything while you see that, okay, I was more confident with the buy. And you're gonna see the video now, so obviously you'll have to enter buy if we're still on the same structure, same entry point. Even if you got it like left out the road, then you are in a perfect direction. Understand? So we just entered our trade here. You can see there's a beautiful one. You can see, guys, we entered the trade there at the bottom side. So yeah, guys, at the end of the day, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Let's meet on another video.